7. Powerful vegetables to help fight diabetes. Lower blood sugar naturally. Did you know that the vegetables you choose can play a huge role in managing diabetes? Not all veggies are created equal, and some are absolute superstars when it comes to balancing blood sugar and boosting your overall health. Today, we're diving into 7 incredible vegetables that are game changers for diabetics. Whether you're looking to revamp your meals or simply curious about which veggies can make a real difference, this video is for you. Stick around because, by the end, you'll know exactly what to add to your plate to take control of your health and enjoy delicious diabetes-friendly meals. Number 1. Carrots, the sweet and crunchy superfood. Carrots are more than just a snack. They're a diabetes-friendly powerhouse. These vibrant, crunchy roots are loaded with fiber, which helps slow down sugar absorption and keeps your blood sugar levels stable. Plus, they're rich in vitamin A, which supports eye health, a big win for diabetics who are at higher risk for vision issues. Here's a fun fact. Carrots contain beta-carotene, an antioxidant that gives them their bright orange color and helps reduce inflammation. Whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or blended into soups, carrots are a versatile and delicious way to keep your blood sugar in check. Number 2. Cabbage, the unsung hero. Cabbage might not be the flashiest veggie, but it's a nutritional powerhouse for diabetics. It's low in calories and high in fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar by slowing digestion. Plus, cabbage is packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system and supports heart health, 2 areas that are especially important for people with diabetes. Try making a cabbage stir-fry with lean proteins like chicken or tofu. Or, for a refreshing twist, whip up a cabbage slaw with a light vinaigrette. It's a simple, satisfying way to add this nutrient-dense veggie to your diet. Number 3. Tomatoes, the heart-healthy all-star. Tomatoes are more than just a kitchen staple. They're a diabetes-friendly superfood. Rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, tomatoes help reduce the risk of heart disease, a common concern for diabetics. They're also low in calories and carbs, making them an excellent choice for keeping blood sugar levels steady. Fun fact, cooking tomatoes actually increases their lycopene content, so a warm bowl of tomato soup or a homemade marinara sauce can be both delicious and beneficial. Just avoid store-bought sauces that are loaded with added sugars. Number 4. Spinach, the nutrient-packed green. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse that deserves a permanent spot on your plate. It's low in calories but packed with iron, magnesium, and vitamins A, C, and K, all of which support overall health and blood sugar control. Spinach also contains alpha-lipoic acid, a natural compound that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. Here's an idea. Add a handful of spinach to your morning smoothie or sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a quick, nutrient-packed side dish. It's an easy way to boost your meals with diabetes-friendly goodness. Number 5. Broccoli, the fiber-rich champion. Broccoli is a diabetes management superstar, thanks to its high fiber and sulforaphane content. This compound has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are critical for diabetics. Plus, broccoli's fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut and improving glucose metabolism. Try roasting broccoli with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of garlic powder for a simple, flavorful side dish. Or toss it into stir-fries and soups for an extra nutrient boost. Number 6. Cucumbers, the hydration helper. Cucumbers are a refreshing, low-calorie veggie that's perfect for diabetics. With their high water content and low glycemic index, they help keep you hydrated and your blood sugar stable. Plus, they're rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Here's a quick tip. Slice cucumbers and pair them with hummus or guacamole for a satisfying snack. Or add them to salads and smoothies for a refreshing crunch. Number 7. Mushrooms, the underrated wonder. Mushrooms may not get enough credit, but they're a fantastic addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. They're rich in B vitamins, which support brain function and reduce inflammation, and their polysaccharides help improve insulin sensitivity. Try sautéing mushrooms with garlic and herbs for a flavorful side dish, or use them as a meat substitute in vegetarian recipes. They're versatile, delicious, and packed with health benefits. Conclusion: small steps, big results. Incorporating these 7 vegetables into your daily meals can make a huge difference in managing diabetes. From the fiber-packed carrots to the antioxidant-rich spinach, each veggie brings unique benefits to help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support overall health. So, the next time you're planning your meals, think about how you can add these nutrient-packed veggies for a healthier, diabetes-friendly diet. Remember, small steps like these can lead to big changes in your health journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.